Hi children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine with your family? Yes. Now children, today I will take third class English. Now everyone take out your textbook. Yes. So, College English Grammar and Composition Book 3, third class. Open children. Yes. So children, last class we learned what children? 19th lesson. Adverb is completed, isn't it children? So now conjunction. So what is the conjunction children? Conjunction is joining words. Yes children, ready? Conjunctions mean conjunction joining words. So see children, let's get start. Read about what Trisha, Sandy and Mona plan to do, fill in the blank. So children, here Trisha, Sandy and Mona plan. So we'll fill the blanks children here. Mona says, let's go to the park and play. Sandy replies, but we do not bring our toys. So children, here joining the words park and play. Yes children, park and play. So write neatly in your textbook children. And means joining words. Conjunction means joining the words. Okay children, and play. Sandy replies, but we did not bring our toys. Trisha tells, play hide and seek. Hide and seek. Seek or we can fly kites. I saw some children flying kites yesterday. Can play with them. Mona and Sandy say together we will have fun and make new friends. So children, here three friends are there. Trisha, Sandy and Mona. So Mona says, let's go to the park. So Mona says, come on everyone, let's go to the park and play. So what he'll do, go children here play and play. Sandy replies, but we did not bring our toys. So Sandy tells, but we did not bring our toys. Trisha tells, play hide and seek. So Trisha tells, we play hide and seek, or we can fly kites. So can we fly kites also? I saw some children fly kites yesterday. So I saw yesterday some children flies kites in the park. So we play with them. So we all are play with them. Mona and Sandy say together we will have fun and make a new friends. So Mona and Sandy says together we will have fun and make a new friend. So children, conjunction means join the words. Example, park and play, and but, hide and seek, or we will fun and make a new friends. Understood children? Yes. So see children, read this sentence. The cat and the mouse are friends. The cat and mouse are friends. I like coffee, but my sister likes tea. So children, and means conjunction joining the word. So that words joining the word, the sentence is completed. Understood children? You do learn dancing or singing. Pamela switched on the fan because it was hot. So because is joining the word. The word is bold join words or sentence. The word is bold join or sentence. Word with join words, group of words are called a conjunctions. Children, word with join words, group of words are called, or sentence are called conjunction. Understood children? Under the conjunctions in the sentences. So everyone see children, under the conjunctions in the sentences children, see here a bit, children. The big bar jar contained mango, jam, but, but. The small jar contains mixed fruit jam. So but is underline children, conjunction. This is conjunction word. So underline children, but. Second one, butterflies look beautiful because they have bright wings. Third one, you can buy a pen or a pencil with his money. Fourth one, Praveer lives in a bad house, but Raju's house is small. So fifth one, Jack and Jill always together. Sixth one, I like him because he is very kind. Because, underline children. Write neatly children. So underline the textbook. Yes. So next B bit. Fill in the blank using an or but or because. So children, we here fill the blanks. We use an or but or because. Okay children, B bit. This is my pen and that is hers. A-N-D, and. Second one, I am angry because he pushed me. B-E-C-A-U-S-C, because. So third, are you going home or coming with me? O or. Fourth one, do and to make four. Do and to make four. Fifth one, do you want pencil or an eraser? So O or. Sixth one, Nina is tall and smart girl. A-N-D, and. So seventh one, Suresh solved the sum but Prem could not. B-U-T, but. Eighth one, Meeta had a book but she did not tell me. B-U-T, but. So write neatly children. Yes children, finish. See children, we can join sentences using conjunction. Look at some examples children. We can join sentences using conjunction. So see children, some examples is gave. The dogs look funny. The dog looks funny. It's wearing a red hat. The dog is looking very funny. but the dogs wear a red hat. The dog looks funny because it's wearing a red hat. The house is small. The house is comfortable. The house is small but comfortable. So children, so we add here what children? Joining words. So that the joining words we here add, the sentences is completed. Work carefully, you will fall. Walk carefully or you will fall. He's old, he's weak, he's old and weak. I am studying English. I have my English exam tomorrow. I am studying English because I have my English exam tomorrow. Understood children? CB, join the sentence with suitable conjunction. Children, here we join the sentence with suitable conjunction. Ready children? Yes. He is a doctor and she is a nurse. CB. First one, CB. He is a doctor and she is a nurse. Second one, he eats eggs, but he does not eat meal. Okay children, so third one, is your tea hot or cold? So write neatly in your textbook children. I have paper and colors to make the drawing. Make the drawing. So fifth one, Mr. Gupta is short and chubby. Short and chubby. So fifth one completed. Now sixth one, she can sing and dance. She can sing and dance. So write neatly children in your textbook. Now more who are there? Seventh one, eighth one. So write neatly. He is a doctor and she is a nurse. Okay children? Yes. So he eats egg but he does not eat meat. Is your tea but hot or cold? I have paper and color to make the drawing. Mr. Gupta is short and chubby. She can sing and dance. Write neatly in your textbook children. Finish. sorry, seventh one, children. You can play or study. So eighth one, he threw away the mango because it was sour. So children, sixth one here, right children? She can sing and dance. Chalo children, write neatly. Yes children, finish. See children here. Let us write. You want a bicycle and dog for your birthday. So children, it's your birthday. So you want one bicycle and you want a dog. So bicycle and dog. You want two. Okay. But your parents want you to choose any one of the two. So your parents told anyone choose of your two. Anyone. Right, which one of you would choose and why? Remember to use conjunction. So write which anyone you would choose and why. Remember to use conjunction. You can start with this sentence. So you want bicycle, you want dog children. Anyone you choose. Okay. So here I want dog children. So I will write dog sentences. Okay. Let us write. Okay children. So here I want a dog for my birthday. For my birthday because I love pets. I can run and play with it. I will not be alone anymore. Because I will give me company. Company. It will be will be by my side. Always, and ill teach it tricks at night. It will be sleep on the floor or on my. So children, so one small line is there. So you write children. So children, here I want dog. So your mother choose anyone. You want a bicycle, you want a dog. So I want here dog. So I want a dog for my birthday because I love pets. I can run and play with it. I will not be alone anymore because I will give me company. It will be my side always and it will teach to tricks at night. It will sleep on floor or on. So one small line is there children. On my bed. On my bed. It will be my best friend. So children, highlight up children. Okay. So it will be my best friend. Okay children, so write neatly. Children, this is your Sakshi. So this is your Sakshi children. So this paragraph you write in your classwork book. Sakshi write textbook only children. Let us write. Okay, this paragraph. I want a dog for my birthday too. It will be my best friend. This is your classwork. So you learn this paragraph. Okay children. Okay, this is your Sakshi homework. Write one time. Okay. So children, your 20 lesson conjunct is done, is completed. So children, write Sakshi. So when your Sakshi, your homework is completed, you take the photo and send me. School email ID children. And children, complete your textbook and complete your notes also children. It's very compulsory. Okay children, compulsory. Complete your notes and textbook also. Okay children? Yes. So children, we'll meet you next class children. Bye. Take care.